guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to be playing with the color green today. I don't know how I feel about it, but it's green. So in today's video, as you can see, I have pretty much all of my makeup done except for my eyes, and that is going to be the focus of today's video because I am so excited to be using this today. But I actually ordered the Jeffree Star Cosmetics single eyeshadow in the shade Put It Back. Now if you guys watch the series, if you guys have the palette, you know, whatever, then you know exactly what this shade is. This shade was originally going to be in the palette, and then for whatever reason it got taken out, and everyone was like, put it back, put it back, put it back, like we love that shade, we want that shade, and they put it back, and that is what they named the eyeshadow. So I'm going to be using this today. I did actually get 2 of them, and one of them is going to go to my sister because I'm a good ass sister, okay? And I think for 2 of these Put It Back eyeshadows, I think the total was like $23 or something asinine like that. Like, it was like, I'm sorry, how much? Yeah, they were a little bit expensive. I think it was $8 for each of the singles and then plus shipping or whatever. So when he announced that he was bringing back these eyeshadows as singles, I was very excited. So here is what it looks like out of the packaging here. As you can see, I mean, it's nothing like revolutionary, but it is this really pretty emerald green. It looks like it has quite a bit of metallic to it, so I'm very, very excited. Here is what the actual component looks like when you get the box. So it just says Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson at the top, and then it has the little star in the middle that shows you the color, and it just says Put It Back. I really like the kind of like rainbow holographic theme they have going on the box. I think that is super cool. And what's also really cool about these little single eyeshadows right here is the back of them are actually magnetic. So if you actually have a Z palette, you want to put this somewhere, this will definitely fit in a Z palette. So right when you open up the eyeshadow, here is what it looks like. I'm trying to do this so I don't flip it. There we go. So here is more of an up-close view of this eyeshadow. Oh my gosh, it looks absolutely beautiful. I will go ahead and swatch it on my hand really quick for you guys, and then we will put it on the eyes. So here's what it looks like swatched. It looks super vibrant, super green. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. I'm just gonna swatch. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. This is seriously so incredibly beautiful. Yes, 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 absolutely. So I know there is a lot of controversy about who it's okay and not okay to like in the beauty community / YouTube world, and I am just here to tell you right now that I don't care. I'm not going to entertain any sort of drama here on my channel. I am talking about these products from strictly a makeup standpoint and nothing else. You can either like Jeffree, not like Jeffree, but when you really kind of narrow it down, he has great makeup, and I am going to continue to buy it because I like the makeup. I'm going to continue to use it because I like the makeup, and I'm going to continue to keep and build my collection because I like the makeup. Yes, I am a Jeffree Star fan, but I really don't think that should sway anyone's opinions as far as formula goes, because no matter how you spin it, no matter how you look at it, he knows formula, and his eyeshadows are fucking awesome, and I'm going to continue to use them on my channel. If that bothers you, I totally understand. You don't have to watch these videos, or you can just completely unsubscribe altogether, but I would really hate if you did that because this is my job. I just want to be as honest and transparent. I don't want to not use Jeffree Star Cosmetics anymore because I feel like I just wouldn't enjoy doing makeup, you know what I mean? Like, I enjoy his makeup for a reason. I like his makeup, I like the designs, I like the palettes, I like the lip colors, I like the formula, everything. So if you have specific thoughts and opinions on Jeffree Star, that is totally fine, but I really just don't want to hear them here. Take that to a drama channel, don't take it here. I really just want to use this eyeshadow, and I felt like turning on my camera and recording myself using this eyeshadow. So hopefully that is okay with you guys, and now we can go ahead and get started. Oh, really quickly before we zoom you guys in, I am wearing a new lip color today, and I'm actually really digging it. This is by Pop Beauty. It's a liquid lipstick. right here. I received this in PR. It was like a random PR package that I got one day and it was from them. And this is a liquid lip in the shade Razzle Rose, and it is honestly so incredibly pretty. I have no idea how this is going to look with green, but I mean, shit, my hair's already dyed green, so I mean, how much more interesting could this get? We're about to find out. And these are the Pot Beauty Permanent Pout Matte Lip Paints, and they are definitely matte. I can feel that this lipstick is, it's on there, okay? It's not coming off. All right, so I zoomed you guys in pretty, like, uncomfortably close to my face, but that's okay. This is not a face that you're ever gonna see on this channel where it's gonna be with Botox, fillers, and perfect skin. You're gonna see it all. You're gonna see cake face, you're gonna see zits, you're gonna see an uneven lip line, and you're just gonna see the sadness in my soul. But that's okay. Welcome. Glad to have you here. So on my eyes right now, I have absolutely no eye primer on. I don't like to really use eye primer with Jeffree Star's eyeshadows, except for the Conspiracy palette, because if you guys watched my first video with that palette and then compare it to my second video with that palette, there's quite a drastic difference. So I do wear eye primer with that palette, but with all of his other eyeshadows, I don't. So the first thing that we are going to do is we are going to pack this, and I mean pack this, on the eyelid, all over, front to back, up to like where my eye starts to bend or crease in a little bit right here. So I'm gonna grab an eyeshadow brush and we are going to just put it back, put it on my eyelids, putting it there. So I'm just going to start out with a brush like this, and I am going to take the eyeshadow right here. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited, you guys have no idea. And I'm just going to pack a decent amount of this on my brush. And I'm going to be very careful not to get any fallout, because it does look like that this would be an eyeshadow where you would get quite a bit of fallout. So the initial dab that I put on my eyes, I don't know how well you guys can see on camera, but it almost looks like that this eyeshadow would have been better with a primer. I am going to try this dry, and then I am going to try it wet as well, because sometimes with eyeshadows like this, they can work a lot better once you get them a little bit wet. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other eye. I really wanted this eyeshadow to be like the main focus of this look, so that's kind of why I'm just putting it everywhere. But as you can see, it is a really gorgeous color. I don't even know how to describe it. It's almost like a, I don't even know, like kind of a minty mentholy green. I don't know, it's really cool. Oh my gosh, this is way too much fun to apply. I'm also going to bring that down to the lower lash line as well. And I'm pretty sure that purple and green eyeshadows are really good for making brown eyes pop, so that's pretty cool. All right, next I'm going to take some MAC Fix Plus spray, and we are going to get this baby, there we go, nice and wet, and then we're going to go back in with the Put It Back eyeshadow and really kind of boost up the color a little bit. Oh yeah, see what I mean? Sometimes using these types of eyeshadows wet can really make a difference. That is awesome. Also, huge shout out to, I think it was BreeAnn Baby on Twitter. She actually tweeted me and told me when these were back in stock, because I missed the initial launch day of these single eyeshadows. I was in the middle of grooming a dog and I didn't even hear my alarm for these, like, because I set an alarm for this specific launch and I didn't even hear it. And then by the time I got done with the dog and I was checking over my phone, I was like, fuck, I missed the launch of Put It Back. And, you know, they still had like the actual mini controversy palette with Put It Back in there, but I already have the palette and I don't want to get another palette for just one shade, you know what I mean? So I had to wait for them to restock, and I had no idea when that was going to be. And luckily, bless this girl's heart, because she tweeted me right when they restocked and she was like, hey, they're available. And I was like, oh my god, thank you. Went on, bought two. It was awesome. So thank you so much to you for helping me out with that, because that was great. So I think before I go and touch this up a little bit more, I think I am going to go in with the Androgyny palette, and I think I'm going to go in with the shade Military, and I think I'm going to use that to kind of buff this out ever so slightly. I'm going to be like super duper careful with this because, you know, I don't want to fuck any of this up. We're not using like a traditional transition color, so I just want to be super gentle. So I'm just going to take a little tiny bit of this. And then in just really small, delicate motions, just start buffing out the edges. Alright, and then I'm going to go in with the Jawbreaker palette, and I'm going to take that sour shade. I almost said shower head. Just kind of use that to blend out a little bit more. So I'm literally going to leave the eyes like this. This is exactly what I pictured in my head when I wanted to do this look. So before I go in and do some eyeliner, I'm going to go back in and just kind of touch up right in the center with the Put It Back shade, just so we can kind of build up some of that intensity that we might have lost during blending. This is so pretty! And then the next thing that I'm going to do is do some black liquid eyeliner, and I actually recently just got on Revlon's PR list, which I'm super incredibly grateful for. I love drugstore makeup, I love Revlon, I've been using them for years, and recently they did a Wonder Woman 1984 collaboration, and this was the black eyeliner that was in the PR package. Really cool. I absolutely like the packaging of this, and it's just a little twist up, and it's just your standard black liquid eyeliner, and I figured I would try it on camera today. Okay, so I really like the tip of this eyeliner. So far that is good. It seems to be a pretty opaque black color, which I like. Okay, so I really like that. We got like a really nice crisp line, and that looks to be about the thickness that I usually like to do with my liquid eyeliner. So far this is a win for me. Just gonna do the other eye now. The winged eyeliner all finished up. I really like the way that it looks. I did find myself having to dip back into the actual container to get more eyeliner quite a bit, but I don't know if that's the eyeliner or I don't know if that is the eyeshadow doing that, because sometimes when you go to put like black liquid eyeliner over a glittery metallic eyeshadow shade, sometimes it can be a little bit difficult and the opacity that you want is a little bit more difficult to get. So here is what the eyes look like all finished up. I just put on some mascara. The mascara I used is the CoverGirl Exhibitionist mascara, and we are going to do one last little thing with the lips, and then this look will be complete. So as you can see, the lips are kind of like a mauve-y rosy color, and that's great and all. I feel like I'm very much pulling off like the Riddler vibes. I think I actually did a Riddler Halloween makeup look back in the day, so this is definitely kind of like bringing me back. I feel like my lips need a little bit more of a cream feeling. I feel like they need to be hydrated just the teensy bit more. So I have a Revlon Wonder Woman collab cream lipstick right here. Here's what it looks like. I did already take the cap off. It did come with a red cap. And this is in the shade 006, which is Truth Seeker. Yeah, and it's just this beautiful kind of mauve-y purple shade. Guys, and here is what the look looks like all finished up. I don't actually know if I like what I did with the lips. I feel like they look a little bit too shiny and it's kind of making everything look a little bit shiny, but I really do like the eyeshadow look. I think that is really super cool. You guys will have to let me know what you think of it. Let me know this video wasn't anything super exciting and it was just a little bit of a random makeup video, but I really wanted to film my first time using this eyeshadow because it's just seriously so incredibly beautiful, and I really wanted to get like my real raw first reactions on camera for you guys today. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you go down and give this video a huge thumbs up. It does help my channel a lot. Also, if you are new to my channel and this is the first video of mine that you are seeing, make sure you go down and hit that red subscribe button. I do upload every 3 to 4 days here, and who knows, who knows what color my side cut is going to be next, you know what I'm saying? As for the rest of you guys, I love you all so much, and I will see you very soon in my next video. I love you guys. Bye!